You know, we never leave our pick. Natural hair girls, you never leave our pick.
Hi beauties and curls, welcome back for another video. It is review time. If this is your first time, my name is MelissaQ. Thanks so much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. It's going to let you know that I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday being Main Monday, where we talk all things hair. So today's video is going to be a review of the DevaCurl Deep Sea Repair Seaweed Strengthening Mask. I love this and I have used a lot of this. I tend to like to do reviews and not first impressions, especially when it comes to hair products, because I feel like it takes a minute for me. A lot of times, even though I instantly like it, I need to incorporate the factors of if it's weather, if it's, you know, if it's the dew points, different things like that. But in terms of slip, I really like this. Now, I actually have to heat my hair. This is not one that's going to give you slip the moment it touches your hair. I do have conditioners and deep conditioners that do that I can actually detangle with it, but this does not have a lot of slip. Let me show you guys the consistency. It smells so good, but it is really creamy. Oh, it smells good. DevaCurl products do tend to be very creamy. This is very emollient, and I tend to use this and then follow with a conditioning. This one is a strengthening mask. So when it comes to these, you want to make sure that you follow with something that's going to condition and soften the hair. This one, if you leave it in your hair and then rinse it out and then go out about your business, it can make the hair hard or even dry a lot faster. You need to go back in with a conditioning treatment. You don't have to be under a heated dryer for this to really penetrate. Just let it sit on your hair and really focus it on the ends of the hair. I would say go mid shaft and down, because a lot of times with products like this, you can tend that the scalp can get itchy. A lot of great ingredients, a lot of oils, which when I look at oils, that's one of the things. This also contains cannelin clay, which is really great for being emollient and really penetrating the hair shaft, and it is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So I really do like this because it does not contain cones. If I am wanting to wear my hair in a curly state, a lot of times, for the most part, I do try to stay away from silicones, but at the same time, there are some that my hair really loves, and I do not like, I don't exclude those either. But I really do enjoy this. I really like it. Like I said, it's not going to give you a ton of slip, but it is very emollient. It's going to strengthen the hair. You're going to feel it after a couple of times. Instead of doing every other month, I have been doing a protein treatment every month to strengthen my hair. So it's been going pretty good, pretty well, especially if I follow with a conditioning treatment. So I hope that wraps it up for this, and let me know what your favorite strengthening treatment is down in the comments down below. Let me know some of the items that you would love for me to come on and review. I do have high porosity, fine, thin hair. I know a lot of people, I don't really tend to hair type, but I do have 3C for a 4B hair around the perimeter of my hair. Just so you know how my curls, like what my curls do, this gives it the pop for sure. And that's one of the things that when I have a really great strengthening, I can see the formation of the curls, and it should give you some really great clumpage because it is strengthening the hair. The cuticle should be smooth and it should be defined curls for that reason. So I hope that gives you an explanation about my hair. I need to do that more, where I explain what kind of hair I have and what am I looking for in product. Now you can find this product a couple of different places. That's why I love DevaCurl. You can find this at Sephora, at Ulta, at the DevaCurl website, but let me just let you know, make sure that it is a certified DevaCurl seller, just because there are some fakes out there and I would hate for you to get some like imitation product. Just saying. Oh, by the way, don't forget to watch my other videos. I would love for you guys to come and smash the like button and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovies.